Meet your Zeekr 7X Voice Assistant, designed so you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. To get started, make sure the car is on and you're in the driver's seat. Then simply say the wake phrase, "Hi Zeekr," press the voice button on the steering wheel or tap the voice icon on the main display to activate the assistant. You'll hear a chime and see a prompt on the main display letting you know it's listening. You can control everyday functions with simple phrases. For example, say, "Set temperature to 21 degrees to adjust the climate," or "Turn on seat heating to warm up your seat." You can also say, "Open the windows," or "Close the sunroof," to adjust key comfort features without taking your hands off the wheel. For navigation, just say, "Navigate to," followed by an address or point of interest, like "Navigate to the nearest charging station." The system will set the route on the map and start guidance automatically. With a single wake phrase or button press, your Zeekr 7X becomes your co-pilot, handling comfort, navigation and entertainment so you can focus on the drive.